Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to fix an unknown error occurred in Roblox mobile, guys, and it's really easy and simple. Okay, so assuming you get this error, usually get this error, guys, when you're trying to input your PIN or set a PIN for your account. So here's what we need to do, guys. What we need to do is we're going to click on the more icon at the bottom right hand corner with these three dots right here. Okay, and then what we're going to do, guys, is we're going to scroll down. Okay, and then we're going to go over to help and safety. Okay, click on this option right here. Then what we're going to do, guys, we're going to click on violations and appeals. Click on this, and then what we're going to do, guys, once this loads up, I'm going to show you what option we actually need to pick. So it's loading up right now. Okay, so what we need to do, guys, now here is just click on support. Okay, click on support, and it's going to redirect us again to this screen. Now on this screen, what we need to do is we need to input our name. Okay, input your name right here, input your email address, confirm your email address that you actually connected with your account. Then the issue details, guys, here at the issue details, what we need to do, guys, is we need to pick the device we're actually using to play this game. So for me, it's my Android phone. Okay, and the type of help category here is going to be data privacy issues. Okay, scroll down, you should see this option right here that says data privacy request. So here, guys, what you're gonna do, of course, you want to choose other privacy request, and then, guys, what you're gonna do is you want to say that, describe the issue. Basically say that I want to reset my PIN. Okay, my PIN, but instead, well, let me type the whole thing. So here we go, guys. I want to reset my PIN, but instead I get an unknown error message. Kindly assist. Okay, something along those lines. Type that out and then just click on continue. So let me type in my email address and first name. Okay, now just click on continue, and guys, it's basically gonna get in touch with Roblox support, and now they'll ask us to do a verification. So do this, match this to the hand right there, click on submit. And basically, guys, we'll reach out to Roblox support, and they'll reach out back to us with an email for the solution. Okay, we'll get an email or message from customer service in the app within about 48 hours. So I hope this video helps you out, guys, and if it did, guys, consider smashing that like button as well as subscribing to Guys Archive, and I'll see you in the next one.